In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting with guests. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool for collaboration, helping you stay connected with your team, clients, or friends. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, professional invite ready to go, and your guests will know exactly how to join. First, open your web browser and head to the Microsoft Teams website. When the page loads, click Sign In to go to the login screen. Enter your Microsoft account details to continue. If you don't have an account yet, follow the on-screen prompts to create one. It only takes a moment, and using the same account you use for Outlook helps keep your calendars perfectly in sync across devices. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Teams dashboard. Move your cursor to the section labeled Meet, where the meeting tools live. If it doesn't appear right away, check the main navigation and give the page a moment to load. You're in the right place when you can see the options for starting and organizing meetings. Inside the Meet area, select Schedule a Meeting. This feature is ideal for planning ahead so everyone can attend. You'll be prompted to add a title. Choose a clear, descriptive title that sets expectations, something concise that captures the purpose, like a project update or client check-in. Avoid vague terms or internal jargon. A straightforward title helps attendees understand the focus at a glance and keeps your invite professional. Next, invite your guests. Start typing the email addresses of the people you want to include and add as many as you need. You can paste addresses you've copied from elsewhere, and Teams will recognize them. Take a moment to double-check spellings so the invitations reach the right inboxes. If your guests don't use Teams regularly, that's okay. External guests can still receive the invite and join from their browser, which makes participation easy for clients or partners outside your organization. When everything looks right, click Save in the top right corner. This confirms the details and sends invitations to your guests. The meeting is added to your Microsoft Teams calendar and to theirs, and the invite includes a join link they can click at meeting time. That's it. You've scheduled a Microsoft Teams meeting with guests in just a few simple steps, making collaboration smoother and more organized for everyone involved. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon for new uploads.